In the late 1960s, the world was in the throes of the Cold War. Two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, were locked in a tense standoff, each vying to demonstrate their technological superiority. The space race was at its zenith, and the moon was the coveted prize. NASA, America's space agency, was tasked with an ambitious mission to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. But according to some, what unfolded was not a testament to human achievement, but a grand illusion, a tale woven by the government to claim victory in the space race. Behind the scenes, the theory suggests an elaborate hoax was being orchestrated. The moon landing, they claim, was staged on a soundstage in a top-secret facility, with astronauts serving as pawns in this complex game. Sworn to secrecy under the threat of national security, these astronauts supposedly played their parts to perfection, duping the world into believing they had set foot on the lunar surface. The proponents of this theory point to perceived anomalies in the footage and photographs from the moon landing. They argue that the American flag appeared to flutter in the non-existent lunar wind. The lighting was suspicious, and there were no stars visible in the black lunar sky. All these inconsistencies, they claim, hint at a well-executed hoax. However, skeptics challenge these claims, offering scientific explanations for the so-called anomalies. They argue that the Soviets, America's Cold War adversary, would have exposed such a hoax if it existed. The cancellation of later Apollo missions, they suggest, was not due to a cover-up, but a result of cost-cutting measures. In the face of such controversies, one thing is certain. The moon landing, real or staged, has left an indelible mark on history. It has fueled our curiosity, inspired generations, and pushed the boundaries of what we perceive as possible. To summarize, the theory of the moon landing hoax suggests that the United States government, desperate to win the space race, staged the moon landing in a top-secret facility. The astronauts were mere actors in this grand spectacle, sworn to secrecy under the threat of national security. Despite compelling arguments from both sides, the debate continues to rage on, leaving us to wonder, was the moon landing a triumphant feat or a well-crafted farce? But remember, in the realm of space exploration, truth can often be stranger than fiction. So as we continue to reach for the stars, let's keep our minds open to the infinite possibilities that the universe holds.